On most vehicles with the timing belt, it's recommended that you change that timing belt at 100,000 miles. Now, if you're dealing with a used vehicle, you may not know the history of that vehicle. So you can check that timing belt and see what type of condition it's in to see if it does need changed. Maybe it has been changed before and you can tell by the lettering on it how much it's wore. And on these Subarus, more than any other vehicle, that's the question I get: has the timing belt been changed? So here I'm going to show you on this 2008 Subaru Impreza how to check the timing belt and see what type of condition it's in. You're going to need two tools. You're going to need a 10mm wrench or ratchet to remove this timing belt cover. What the easiest way to do is there's two bolts I take here and you can just pull it back some. And then you're going to need a 22mm ratchet to put over the crank pulley so you can turn it over and see the timing belt. You can see here I was rotating it around. I'm going to assume this is the original timing belt. This vehicle only has 80,000 miles on it. And you can see a line right there. So after 10 years, you still have some marking left in the timing belt. We'll just crank it over and you can see the entirety of it all.